students, once again welcome to computer online class. Today I am going to teach you about printer. Already you know about printer, I have taught you printer, but it's an important topic, so let us start. So what is a printer? Printer is an output device. It produces text and graphic image in a physical medium such as paper. Printers are of two types. One is impact printer and another is non-impact printer. There are various types of printer, but according to our textbook, we will read about three types of printer. So printer is divided into how many parts? Two parts, impact printer and non-impact printer. And impact printer comes under dot matrix, and under non-impact printer it comes inkjet printer and laser printer. So here we are going to read about the main three types of printer. We have many printers, but we will read only these three types of printer. That is dot matrix printers, inkjet printers and laser printer. So just remember, dot matrix comes under impact and inkjet and laser printer comes under non-impact printer. So what is a dot matrix printer? I think you already knew how to take out print. Go to file, click on print, then according to the print current preview you can do, and you can take out the click on print option and OK. I will show you practical how to take out print. But let us now know about what do you mean by dot matrix printer. Everyone knows when we take out any printer, we get that in a hard copy, paper. So dot matrix printer, this printer produce image with the help of dot. For example, suppose I have written a computer. Okay. And we are using which printer machine? We are using dot matrix printer. And I want to take out the print of computer. So how the print will come out? It will come in the form of dot. See this O, M, P, U, T, E, R. I think you are understanding what I mean to tell you. The computer will come in a method of dot wise. All the letters will come in a dot wise. Because in the dot matrix printer there are many small pins which will hit to the ink and it will come in a paper as a dot type. So this print machine does not work for a long because it's not so nice, because we are unable to read it properly because it is coming in a dotted type. So that's why this is called as a dot matrix printer. The image display produced with the help of a dot. The next one is what? Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer. The printer has ink in a well-like container which they spray through tiny holes to form the pattern of character on a paper. So the same example only I want to give you. If you want to print computer with the help of which printer? Inkjet printer. Inkjet printer. So I want to print computer with the help of which printer? With the help of inkjet printer. So this printer contains many ink in a container computer. You are getting my point? What I want to tell you. The letter this C, the printing will come as a spray, like ink spray. That's why it is known as inkjet printer. So don't be confused. Dot, the letter will come in a dot wise. What I told you earlier. It will come in dot wise. The image which will get in a print. And in inkjet, it will come in a spray form. The ink will be spray. So this is known as inkjet printer. Last but not the least, that is laser printer. These are the fastest and best quality printer that resemble a photocopy machine. Laser printer. And laser printer is the best printer and it is the fastest printer which is a resemble of photocopy printer. Suppose I want to print the word computer. The same example only I am taking. I want to print what? The word computer. With the help of which printer? Laser printer. Yes. So when I print computer with the help of laser printer, it will come as it is. Because the light rays of the laser is very high quality and it will print the words like a photocopy. So that's why laser printer is the best printer and nowadays everywhere we are using laser printer. We have latest printer, there are many types of printer, but according to our syllabus we have to know about these three types of printer: dot matrix printer, inkjet printer and laser printer. And you know how to take out printout. Even I will tell you in my next class more details about the properties of printing and how to take out a print. Students, hope so you have understood what are the three types of printer. And as we know that in peripheral device, one the part is printer. What is a peripheral device? Something which is attached to the computer. It helps us, which is attached external or internal to the computer and which helps us. That devices are known as peripheral device and from that one device is printer. And again I am going to tell what is a printer. Printer is an output device that produce anything, image, text and graphic produced in a paper form. Text and graphic in a physical medium, that is in a paper. Hope you have understood the three types of printer. So please learn about this and practice. Take care students. Thank you for listening my online class. Thank you.